Hello children. In 10th Physics Chapter 1 Electricity, in the last class we learned charge and electric current. Today in this class we will learn two more important aspects such as electric potential and potential difference. What is charge? Charge is a physical entity defined by excess or deficiency of electrons. What is a positive charge? Positive charge is that it is defined by due to what? Loss of electrons, deficiency of electrons. Consider a unit positive charge. Consider a unit positive charge. If we take one more positive charge, like charges repel. Like charges repel with some definite force. If you take a charge, this charge has a definite field around it. That is electric field. What is that electric field? A region around the charge where its effect is felt. Okay children. Next, if we place one more charge just outside this field where the electric potential is zero, that we say infinity. That means now this charge is placed at infinity. Got the idea? Now from this infinity to a point in the field, to make a move of this charge, to transfer this charge from this infinity, point of infinity to the given point in the electric field, work has to be done. Work has to be done in moving this much of quantity of charge. That work done, we say electric potential at that point. It is called what? Electric potential. Let us take from this infinity, take one more point B, from here to this. Work has to be done in moving the charge. That work done, we say electric potential. Electric potential. So therefore here, from infinity to this point, from infinity to this point, in order to make the displacement of the charge, work has to be done. That work done is what? Electric potential. Between these 2 points, what we have within the field, work has to be done to move a charge from this point to that point. That is a potential difference. I hope it is clear now. Okay, therefore children, and it is denoted by V. Electric potential as well as potential difference is denoted by V. Now we shall define what? Electric potential. Electric potential is defined as the amount of work done. The amount of work done. The amount of work done in the amount of work done in, or let us take as when a unit positive charge, when a unit positive charge, when a unit positive charge is moved, charge is moved, when a unit positive charge is moved from infinity, from infinity to a point, Just look at here. This is the field due to this charge. Now here we have a unit positive charge. In order to move this charge from infinity to infinity to this any point, then point A. Okay, in order to make move, work has to be done. That work done, we say what? Potential, electric potential. If work done, okay, I repeated this one, try once. If work done in moving a positive charge Q from infinity, just a point. What is actually infinity means? The point at which zero potential, means its effect is not felt. From infinity to a point is W, then the electric potential V of that point. If you take a particular, see children here, in order to find out electric potential at A, at B, at C, anything, you choose a point. Okay, infinity. From infinity to this point, infinity to that point. Some work has to be done. Just to make a move of this piece of charge from one point to another, work has to be done. Just like that. That work done, we say potential V of that point is given by V equal to W by Q. So in physics, I told you already, whenever we have physical entity, we should have definite definition already we defined. Next, the symbol for electric potential is V and its SI unit is volt, named after the scientist Alessandro Volta. Alessandro Volta. And the SI unit is volt. Here we have to keep one point in mind. The most important point is this: electric potential symbol is V. SI unit is volt. Even for volt also the same symbol V. Okay children. Now we shall define electric potential difference between 2 points. Okay children, what is that? Electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. Consider a simple electric circuit. In detail we will discuss in further classes. This is a cell plus minus and an electric bulb, then just a switch, simple one. This is a switch, this is electric bulb. Now see here what the definition says. Electric potential difference between 2 points. Let us take 2 points between these two. Electric potential. How to measure potential difference? Even we can use a device called voltmeter. So now therefore potential difference between these 2 points is nothing but what? Between 2 points in an electric circuit like this, carrying some current. Say the current is I. Some current is nothing but work done to move a unit positive charge from one point, from this point to that point, from one point to other. Here there are something now hidden, means there is a lot to discuss. For example, now when the bulb glows, how it is possible? The simple answer, we say it is current. From where do we get current? How does the current move, etc. In further classes we will discuss. Now just we shall focus only on what? Electric potential difference. In a circuit, this is something, a practical definition. In an electric circuit, the potential difference between any 2 points is defined as work done, moving charge from this point to that point. Here one more thing, the work done to move a unit positive charge from one point to other point. When, if, see here, carrying some current. What is current? Already we defined. Current, electric current is nothing but what? Q by T, children. So therefore again, potential difference between 2 points is nothing but given by V equal to W by Q. Electric potential and potential difference both are same. Here only the potential, when we define electric potential, we consider a point at infinity. Potential difference within the given electric field between 2 points. But for in our high school, for practical purpose, the given definition is with respect to an electric circuit. Okay, children. V equal to W by Q. We know the meaning, potential difference, work done, and the given charge. Now we shall try to define 1 volt. What is 1 volt? Volt is potential difference. When do we say 1 volt? 1V. If 1 joule of work is done in moving of 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another. Hence, a very simple definition. How to define 1V? Whenever we have to define that 1, etc., first you take mathematical form. The mathematical form of potential difference is V. V equal to W by Q. V is what? Potential difference. Hence, potential difference is said to be 1V. If 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge from one point to another, 1 volt. The potential difference between 2 points, this is plus minus, between 2 points is said to be 1 volt. If 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge, therefore 1V equal to 1J by 1C. Okay. Numericals on potential difference. First one, how much work is done in moving a charge given a charge. So first we have to write in word charge and its symbol and its magnitude to C. Charge Q is a 2C across 2 points having a potential difference. In short, we can write as PD. It is denoted by V and its magnitude is 12. Unit is volt V. Work done. This one, children. Remember, just fast. Look at, say this one, from this point to this point. Between 2 points, like that work done. W, put a question mark. We know that V equal to W by Q. We know that V equal to W by Q. Now therefore, below this, we have to substitute equal to W, which is now unknown. W is unknown. Therefore, W equal to V into Q. V is 12 into, what is Q? Q is 2. 12 into 2 is 24. Work done. The SI unit of work done is joule. Hence, work done W equal to 24 joule. Second sum. Calculate the potential difference between 2 terminals of a battery if 100 joule of work is done. Given work done W is 100 joule. Okay, work done is 100 joule is required to transfer the charge of 20C. Charge Q equal to 20 coulomb from one point to another point, the terminal. Next, what you have to calculate? The potential difference required. PD V equal to how much? We know that what is the formula for potential difference? V equal to potential difference is the work done in moving charges, W by Q. So whenever as and when we write, let us recall once the definition. V, W is 100, Q is 20, therefore it comes 5, thus potential difference is 5 volt. Okay children. Children, do one small assignment on today's topic. The first one, what is meant by electric potential? Question mark. Mention its SI unit. Second one, define potential difference. Nothing but electric potential difference only. What is its SI unit? Define 1 volt. The next, just only one problem, numerical. If work done in moving a charge of 20 millicoulomb, milli prefix stands for 10 power minus 3, from infinity to a point O. This is a point O. Imagine that definition. In an electric field is a 15J, then what is the electric potential at this point? Okay children. So therefore just you do. If any doubt, you bring up to me. You know my number. Then we shall continue in the next class. Thank you children.